Students, today we are going to begin our continuation of the chapter 1, Computer Hardware and its Components. We will discuss in previous video about the internal hardware components. Now we will discuss about external hardware devices. The hardware components that are located outside the CPU box are called external hardware components. These components are connected to computer external. Hence, they are also called peripheral components. As we can see, external hardware components can be classified into three categories: input hardware devices, output hardware devices, and third, external storage devices. Let's see input hardware devices. As we can see, the examples of input hardware devices are mouse, keyboard, microphone, scanners, webcam, graphic tablets, etc. As we already know, and we already used the keyboard. It is used to give instruction to the computer with the use of typing. Mouse. It is a pointing device that allows you to put data into a computer by using the point click and drag and drop commands. It controls the movement of the pointer on the screen. There are two types of mouse, optical and mechanical. In optical mouse, there is a LED, which is light emitting diode, and an optical sensor. This type of mouse does not require any internal cleaning since there are no rotating parts. In mechanical mouse, it uses a rubber ball that makes contact with wheels inside the unit when it is rolled up on a pad or a desktop. This type of mouse is especially susceptible to dust and particles that can accumulate inside the mouse. Scanner. The scanner is a device that helps to input printed pictures and text into the computer by reading them. There are three types of scanners: handheld scanner, flatbed scanner, and sheet-fed scanner. Handheld scanner. It is a type of a scanner that can be held in hand and rolled over a flat image or a document. It is used to scan documents into their digital form. This type of scanners are small in size, portable, and less expensive. Next, flatbed scanner. It is a type of a scanner that uses a flat glass surface for scanning documents. It looks like a photostat machine. Sheet-fed scanner. It is a type of a scanner that allows multiple papers to be scanned at a time. In this scanner, the stack of papers is kept on the top and the scanner automatically scans pages one by one. It is widely used in offices to scan documents. Webcam. As you already used some of you have already used the webcam at your TV, in your laptop, in your desktop. It is a digital video camera connected to a computer. It helps to put your image into the computer when you are connected to the internet. It is smaller than the traditional camera and generally attached to the monitor of the computer or built into the hardware. The next is graphic tablet. It allows to directly draw on a computer screen. The device consists of a flat surface upon which you can draw with an attached stylus which looks like a pen, as you have already seen in your book that the joystick. It is a pointing device which is basically used to play games. Microphone. It is an input device that is used to record voice, music and sound into the computer system. It captures the sound wave and converts them into digital form. It is generally used in the communications as well as music and speech recording. Touch screen. A touch screen is a sensitive screen to touch. We can interact with a computer by touching areas on the screen. Tablets, smartphones, ATMs have touch screens in them. Output hardware devices. Through output devices, we can get output data from a computer. With the help of input devices, we send our information into computer, and from output devices, we get our data from the computer. With the help of monitors, speakers, printer, projector, plotter, etc. As you already seen or you already used the monitors in your computer lab, at your home, in banks. The monitor is one of the most familiar output devices. It is also called the VDU, Visual Display Unit. The images that you see on the monitors are made up of tiny dots called pixels. Printer. A printer is an output device that allows to print the work done on the computer on a sheet of paper. Printers are categorized as impact or non-impact depending on their working. Impact printer create an image. Impact printer can create an image on a paper by spraying ink on the paper. Impact printer create an image on a paper by striking the paper with a metal, and non-impact printer create an image on a paper by spraying ink on the paper. There are the common examples of printer are dot matrix printer, inkjet printers and laser printer. What is dot matrix printer? In this printer head strikes on the paper and ink ribbon to print a character. It is a type of impact printer. Inkjet printer. Inkjet printers are non-impact printer. Printing is done line by line, spraying ink on a sheet of paper. It is much faster than the dot matrix printer. Laser printer. Laser printer are also known as non-impact printer. These printer uses a laser beam to print on the paper. These printers are much faster than inkjet printers and the print quality is superior. Now, plotter. Plotters are used to print good quality drawings. They are mainly used in desktop publishing offices and by architects to print building constructions plan. It provides us a big print, or we can say a bigger print in size. They are also expensive than the printer. The print quality of the plotter is better than the printer as they print in great details. Speakers. Speakers are an output device that produce music, speech, or other sound from the computer. They are also used to listen music and watching movies on a computer. Projector. A projector is an output device used to project the output from the computer screen to a large screen. It takes the input from the computer in the form of image and displays it on a wide screen. As you all have seen in the projector in your smart classes or office meetings, in cinemas. Projectors are used for teaching students, giving a presentation in front of office employees, and projecting movies respectively. The next is external storage devices. Storage devices are used to store data into computers. There are a number of storage devices like hard disks, CD, DVD, Blu-ray, flash drives, etc. The hard disk consists one or more magnetic disks called platter. Each disk in the pack has top and bottom surfaces on which data is recorded using magnetic head. It permanently fixed on the motherboard. It is usually used for permanent mass storage. The external hard disks are also available. They are hard disks that can be attached to any computer with the help of USB devices. As you already use the CD and the DVD and the Blu-ray disc. Flash drive. The flash drive is a small portable data storage device integrated with a USB connector. For example, the pen drive and the memory card. Pen drive. It acts as a portable hard drive and is easy to use as a small and can be carried in a pocket and plugged into any computer with a USB drive. Memory card. It is a commonly known as multimedia memory card. It is very small in size, usually 1 to 1.5 inches. They are used in mobile phones, in digital camera. We need this card reader to read stored data on memory card. These are the external hardware: the microphone, webcam, monitors, screen, keyboard, computers, speakers, mouse, ports, power supply. As you can see in this picture, these are the basic parts of a computer: the motherboard, microprocessor, computer memory, hard disk drive, CD drive, floppy drive, video card, monitor, modem, network devices. And there are few additional accessories like printer, scanner, UPS, speakers, etc. New trends in hardware device.